The easiest way to fix internet problems on Samsung Galaxy S25 is by resetting Wi-Fi and or mobile network settings. So what we can do is go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to general management. Then over here choose reset. And in reset section we should be able to find two options: mobile network settings, reset mobile network settings, and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you are certain that the issue is on the phone's side, that the Wi-Fi in general is working correctly but not on your phone, then in that case, of course, you can go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and you can press reset settings in order to clear all data from the Wi-Fi settings. This means that you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network after that, because everything will be erased. And unfortunately the same thing is with Bluetooth, because these two are reset together. We cannot separate it. So remember to reconnect your Bluetooth devices again after using that specific option. Now, if you have issues with mobile data not working properly, then of course you want to go to reset mobile network settings instead. If you have more than one SIM, then remember that you can switch between your SIM options and then press reset settings. Remember to go back to mobile network settings and SIM settings again to make sure that the mobile data is, for example, enabled, that the correct SIM card is selected, and so on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!